Navigating administrative processes as a student often feels like a full-time job, whether it's appealing a financial aid decision or booking a simple advising appointment. The friction is constant. Core systems like career services and course registration are frequently disconnected. They are designed for the institution's convenience rather than the people they are intended to serve. It is tempting to view technology as an instant fix, but dropping artificial intelligence into a disorganized process does not solve the underlying problem. It simply automates a bad experience. Most change efforts fail because they ignore human needs. People do not trust the new system, communication is weak, or the solution simply does not fit the actual workflow of the staff. Improving these systems requires a shift in perspective. You have to understand the human experience before you can build a solution that actually works in the real world. This course, AI, Organizational Change, and Student Experience Innovation, focuses on the mechanics of responsible innovation. You will act as an innovation consulting group. Your task is to investigate and redesign a student-facing workflow you have already experienced firsthand on campus. The goal is to move beyond just talking about AI. You will learn how to analyze a system, manage change, and implement technology in a way that is realistic and useful. The first phase is investigative. You conduct interviews with students and staff to find the root causes of their frustration, rather than just treating the symptoms. You then perform a workflow analysis. Workflow analysis is a diagnostic tool used to map the exact sequence of tasks and bottlenecks within a complex system. You also map out organizational readiness. You identify where staff might resist a new system and determine how to build trust before the technology is even introduced. By isolating these high-friction human bottlenecks, you can be precise about where AI fits into the architecture and where it does not. Once the human system is mapped, you use an audit framework to prioritize which tasks should be augmented with AI. First, you look for high frequency. These are the repetitive tasks performed daily or weekly that eat up significant time. Next, you identify high effort. These are tasks that require intense brain power or data crunching that could be handled more efficiently by a machine. Finally, you consider high importance. This matrix isolates the tasks that require a high degree of quality or benefit from a second opinion. You take the winning workflow and break it down into 4 to 6 sequential steps that a team would typically follow. At this stage, you map specific AI functional capabilities to each task. These include things like generating ideas, providing feedback, or analyzing content. For a task like brainstorming product concepts, AI can act as an initial draft generator to spark creative problem solving. For research-heavy tasks, AI handles summarizing trends and insights, allowing the human worker to focus on the final decision-making. You then build a documented prompt pack. A prompt pack is a set of specific instructions that ensures the AI outputs are consistent and repeatable across your entire team. This is a surgical application of technology. It's about using AI to remove specific friction points so the organization functions more smoothly. In the second half of the semester, you design the future state. Your team creates a model of the improved AI-augmented workflow that balances efficiency with human oversight. You then tackle change management. It is the structured process used to guide people through an organizational transition so they actually adopt the new tools. You build a comprehensive communication and implementation plan. This ensures that every stakeholder, from the student to the administrator, understands the benefits and knows how to use the system. A successful solution only works when the technological design is matched by a realistic plan for human adoption. Imagine a university where staff are no longer buried under administrative busywork. An AI system handles the coordination, so they can focus entirely on students. You leave this course with a professional, portfolio-ready case study that demonstrates your ability to lead this kind of transformation. You will have documented workflow redesigns, AI opportunity assessments, and implementation roadmaps. These are the specific assets sought after in digital transformation and project management careers. Do not just participate in the changing landscape of higher education. Become the professional equipped to lead it.